Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Roblox error that says unexpected error. Memory dump was captured to Clipboard on Windows 11. First, we will turn off memory integrity. Click on the search bar and type Windows Security, then open it. Go to Device Security, then click on Core Isolation Details. Here you will see memory integrity. Turn this option off. After that, restart your computer. This helps because memory integrity can sometimes block Roblox from running properly. Next, we will clear the Roblox cache. Press the Windows key and R at the same time. In the box, type %local app data % and press Enter. This will open a folder. Find the Roblox folder here and delete it. This removes corrupted files that may be causing the error. Finally, reinstall Roblox. Open Windows Settings, go to Apps, and uninstall Roblox. After uninstalling, restart your PC. Then download and install the latest version of Roblox from the official website or the Microsoft Store. After following all these steps, open Roblox and check if the error is fixed. Thanks for watching.